Assalamualaikum and good evening to all. Today our group consisting of me, Norsyahmi, and my group, Amir, Ghazlan and Mohamad Sirajuddin. We present our study in the subject Principle of Business Analytics, SMP 15603. The title of our presentation is Business Study for Variable, which aims to understand how various variables affect the performance of employees in the organization. We will discuss the main factors study, the methodology used, as well as the finding and application of this study for business. It is hoped that our presentation will provide a clear picture of the analysis, performance, and how it is relevant in a business environment. We have choose a PETRONAS company to complete our assignment. PETRONAS is a major energy company involved in the exploration, production, refining, distribution, and sale of oil and gas product. This study aims to analyze the factors that affect the performance of PETRONAS employees. Data was collected from employees by focusing on one dependent variable, namely the demographic factor such as age, gender, education level, and work experience. Three independent variables were also analyzed, such as namely job satisfaction, work motivation, and organization commitment. Job satisfaction measure the level of employee comfort with their job. Work motivation include factors that encourage goal achievement, and organization commitment evaluates employee loyalty to the company. A total of 16 respondents we selected to conduct this study. The result of the study are expected to provide a better understanding to improve employee performance and organization success. On this slide, I will explain the variable used in the study to understand the factor that affect the performance of employee at PETRONAS. This study focus on three main independent variables. The first is job satisfaction, which is the level of employee satisfaction with various aspects of their job, such as the workplace environment and their responsibilities. Second is work motivation, which measure internal and external factor that motivate employees to work efficiently and achieve organization goal. Third is organization commitment, which assesses the level of loyalty and dedication of employees to the organization, which is very important to ensure to stability and effectiveness of the company. In addition, this study also involves a dependent variable, which is a demographic factor, which includes age, gender, education level, and work experience. This demographic factor help provide additional insight into how individual characteristics affect their performance.
Data collection and analysis process. Responder requires 60%, that is PETRONAS employees. Collection method via Google Form. The data are produced in Excel, transferred and calculated by SPSS. The result come out as value in table and graph shown below. The descriptive statistic show minimum, maximum, mean, and standard deviation. Data collection and analysis process. Responder requires 60%, this is PETRONAS employees. Collection method via Google Form. The data are produced in Excel, transferred and calculated by SPSS. Variability statistic. From alpha shows 0.656, below than 0.7, and upper than 0.6. Model summary. We count the R value and R square that show 0.099. For ANOVA, the significant result show 0.116, greater than critical line 0.05. The coefficient, we found out the constant is below than the alpha value 0.001. The histogram also produced in the SPSS data. For collinearity statistic, the VIF is 1.539.
Okay, about multiple collinearity, analysis of IV1, IV2, and IV3. Firstly, we look about IV1, job satisfaction for job satisfaction, tolerance is 0.851 greater than 0.1. For VIF, 1.175 less than 10. For conclusion, no multicollinearity is it for IV1. For okay. Okay, second we look about IV2 is work motivation. For amount tolerance is 0.768 greater than 0.1. For VIF is 1.303 less than 10. For conclusion, not multicollinearity is it for IV2. The last is IV3 for organization commitment. For tolerance is 0.772 greater than 0.1. For VIF is 1.295 less than 10. For conclusion, not multicollinearity is it for IV3. For final conclusion, IV1, IV2, and IV3 do not show sign of multicollinearity. This means all independent variables can be analyzed individually without issue of redundancy or overlap. For conclusion, this research will focus on an analytical study of three main variables. One is job satisfaction. Two is work motivation, and three is organization commitment among the employee of PETRONAS. With a response group of 16 respondents comprising people for various background, it gives a sufficient picture of the situation at workplace. By using a statistical analysis, data for all the variables was normally distributed and tested the variable association by applying suitable method including person correlation, regression analysis, and t-test. Generally, the study postulates that strategy focusing on financial reward, recognition, opportunity, and employee development can help improve employee performance and well-being at PETRONAS.